I will never figure this out. I will never figure this app out, ever. Never, ever, ever. But what I have figured out is how to waste as much money as possible on sneakers. I'm pretty good at that. Just not great at TikTok, it seems. So I don't know if anyone else has been crushed in the views, but feels a lot like a shadow ban, but I don't know. But no one wants to hear me whine, do you? I can continue, but I don't think you do. I did get a pickup. I've gotten a bunch. I've just been lazy. I've been really lazy. So let's start getting back into some shoe reviews. Let me know if you want to see them. Let me know if you enjoy them. Love to hear about engagement. Love to hear if you like what I'm putting out there. And let me know if you want me to change anything or stop doing stuff. So let's take a look what we got. And we know the box is a dead giveaway on this one. Typical AMA packaging. This iteration of the A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 3 keeps the iconic white tumble leather upper, preserving the silhouette's classic appeal while adding a modern touch. Instead of the traditional elephant print, the mudguard and heel feature a smooth suede overlay, giving the shoe a clean upscale look. Diffuse blue accents decorate the eyelets, Nike Air heel tabs and midsole enhancing the monochromatic design. A Ma Maniére's signature branding is embroidered on the tongue, a subtle but distinct detail that showcases the brand's influence on this collaboration. The premium collaboration takes a classic silhouette and elevates it with meaningful details. On the left heel tab, the phrase, "All we have is each other," serves as a poignant reminder of unity and support. The right heel tab features the statement, "You need to get comfortable walking alone," emphasizes self-reliance and independence. The Jordan AMA 3s for the love. I love the colorway on this. I was excited when I saw the mock-ups of it, when I heard about the release. And the materials, I mean, AMA doesn't miss when it comes to the materials, in my opinion. So I'm stoked to have this in the collection for the love. And let me know what you think. Not many people really were into this. I know Jordan 3s are hit or miss with certain people, but I'm stoked for this release. This is going to be a great summer shoe. So I'm looking forward to putting this on feet, putting fits together. Super clean, and materials are really nice. So I would definitely recommend this shoe for anyone that messes with 3s. Even if you don't, this would be a great Jordan 3 for your collection. So that's what I got today. Let me know what you think. Are you feeling the love for the love, or are you not feeling it? Appreciate you tapping in, fam. Peace.